We're here at Village Antiques, and they've got a lot of stuff. And we're just at the outside right now. We're not even where you can actually see things. Italian. Can't tell you what that means. I think it's jam chair. Not sure. $125. Kind of neat. It's one of the mid-century modern. Couple of sides sitting there. Not good to have them sitting outside. They tend to decompose pretty quickly. Wood is not designed to be left out unfinished.
This is a rocking goose. Not a rocking horse, but a rocking duck.
Oh, it's a rocking
duck, I guess it would be. Planter.
Yeah.
$50.
That's nice.
Yeah. And you do a little bit of the bamboo, but not much.
And a kidling wagon made up by some doting parent. We're gonna go inside now, take a look around. All right, if I take pictures?
Sure.
Okay.
Are you getting ready to have your own sale?
No, Actually, what happens is I have a YouTube channel.
Oh, do you?
And I go around and I work on antique tools.
Oh.
I repair them, kind of almost collect them, but I try really hard to stay away from that. But on the channel, I say, okay, this is a drill and this is how you sharpen auger bit. So they say, well, where'd you get that? They say, where'd you get that? And I say, well, I got it at this place. Well, could we see it? Yeah,
I guess
okay.
they're tiles.
Then I have to ask, is it all right?
Tiles.
Pictures. Make good coasters.
Tools in here, but you should have came to the barn sale that we did.
I wanted to. We had other business that we had out of town, so.
Hundreds and hundreds of tools and planers and what do you call those little? The whole collection of those. It was 150 of them. All of the little antique. I think they were little antique planers, a whole collection.
Uh-huh.
Yeah.
Planes and chisels and saws and.
Yeah. They really ate that stuff up.
Yep. Well, it's nice to have. Wish I'd have been here.
He's got quite a following.
Good.
Yeah, he's been doing it for years.
Oh,
It's
wow.
Old Sneelock's workshop, if you ever want to look it up.
Oh, okay. Okay.
A spur of the moment stop while we were out driving around. Nice sunshiny day. But I was using Lydia's iPhone. That meant that I was having a little trouble getting the focus and the situation working exactly the way I should because I'm kind of used to my Android. So as we're going along, the camera all of a sudden said full. Couldn't record anymore. So I had to stop recording rather abruptly. Thanks for watching.
This video is not to be viewed by anyone under the age of 13 in the U.S. or 16 in the European Union without the express written permission of the parents or the legal guardians of the underage person. Such written permission must be on file at the local government entity in charge of enforcing the rules and regulations established by the FTC. Anyone violating these terms is admitting by default that they hold harmless the owners and operators of this channel. Any and all questions should be addressed to your local branch of the FTC.